Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Nisha here, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. Today I'm going to be letting my boyfriend do my voiceover for a really simple makeup look. I am not a makeup artist, not a professional, this is just for fun. So if you'd like to see that, then definitely keep on watching.
Okay, so we have I think, some kind of foundation and concealer, and put them at the back of the fist, and we're going to blend the two shades in together, just blend it in, and we're going to get something in between and apply it to the face. Alright, we're going to get it under the eyes and also apply it to the cheeks, forehead, and just get it all over your face basically. Okay, we just want to rub that in, blend it in nice and neatly. Yeah, so we use some eyeliner. Take the eyeliner pencil and we're going to apply that on the eyebrows, because we'll need to grow eyebrows when you could just draw them in. There we go, make sure we trace them properly. Stay true to the hair. And there we go. And now we're gonna take this hair paste and we're gonna apply them right under the eyebrows. Just nice and neatly. Oh, and we have some kind of pink squeezy looking thing. And we use this to basically rub in what we just applied before. Yeah, you just rub it in, make it nice and gradient. You apply them around the eyebrows, and we take a brush and we just rub it in and blend in the colors. Make sure you don't see two separate tones. Just brush it out, just brush it out. Nicely done. And then we have the Pro Primer. Ooh, it actually looks like primer. Okay, so you apply the primer above the eyelids and you just dab it on. Nothing too fancy right now. And then you use your fingertips and you basically just rub it in. Try not to get any in your eyes, just rub it in. Ooh, and we're using a brush now. And here we have a palette with a kind of peachish looking color. Don't know what color that is specifically. I'm sure it has some kind of fancy name for it. But anyhow, we apply it over the primer. Nice and neat, and make sure everything look even. And make sure it's nice and gradient. Don't want to see any harsh difference in colors. Just rub it in right over the eyelids. And here we use a nice little pencil brush, and then we're going to apply that just at the edge of the eyes, and we're going to create a nice little pattern, a little V-like pattern, and we're going to just draw it over the eyes. And then we're going to use some gray powder, and okay, that's going over the blue, and we're going to pull that across, get it nice and neat. Just use the brush and feather that in. We're going to get the baby blues in now. We're going to apply that baby blue over the eyes, and then, oh Lord of mercy. Yeah, so you're just going to ignore the fact that you just made a mess on the carpet. Okay, cool. Yeah, so can't even keep up. It's going so fast. If only I used to get ready this fast in real life. Now we have purple. Y'all feel free to pause this because I really and truly can't keep up. And we blend in these colors nice and neatly over the eyes. And want to get that a little blowout, nice and neat. And we add in some nice little touches just under the eyebrows. And we have some Sasha liquid eyeliner. And to create, and we create our wing. I think that's what you call that. That's our wing. And create a nice little wing right over the eyes. And nice and neat. No crooked lines. And there we go. Both eyes look nice and even. And we apply some more below the eyes. More of this browny, pasty looking thing. Nice and pasty under the eyes. Yeah, just I think you probably need to replace that one. It's probably almost finished. And then we apply just over the nose bridge and the nose, and also the chin. Just on top of the lips. We're gonna take that pink squeezy little thing and we're gonna rub that in. And then we have, I think it's Pro Concealer, it was upside down. And then we start drawing Wakanda face painting. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure there's some kind of method to the madness. So yep, nice little contrasting colors to the cheekbones, just on the edge of the nose bridges, down to the nose, and we're gonna rub that in. Yeah, that pink squeezy thing gonna get some work. And gonna find these other powders, and yeah, just gonna rub that in, just blend in everything together, just bring everything in. Got some other tones. Yeah, we're going to apply that just gently to the cheekbones, just right there, just on the cheeks, make it look nice and plush. And that bottle has seen some better days, which I guess is water, and you just get some moisture onto the face, and there we go. Oh no, we're not finished. Okay, my bad. Okay, and then we're gonna tackle the lips. We're gonna add some lipstick. Oh, and just note that there was some kind of black lipsticky thing that went first before we add the pink lipstick. So yeah, so here we're seeing some nice little contrast on the lips. You know, get that in there. Oh, this is a third tone. Okay, they're just gonna just rub it in this. Yeah. And then we're gonna apply, that's lip gloss. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna add some lip gloss, not too much. Don't want to look like we just finished eating our doubles. Yeah, so we're gonna get that in nice and neat, and we're gonna start playing with the eyelashes. Just gonna bring them out, brush them out. Just be careful of them, don't get them in the eyes. It's amazing how you women do this without even blinking. Give it a nice little brush so you can see the individual strands. There we go, the second one. Yeah, we're just gonna brush that in. And we're looking like we're 90% complete. 90? 100? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this is it. guys.
So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. As you guys saw the process, this is the final result. I think it actually looks really good. I don't know how makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts film and do makeup at the same time. It is so hard. It's so hard to do. Oh, before I go, just one quick note. All of the products, I'll try to list all of the products that I use down in the description box, just in case you guys are interested in anything that I would have used. I don't have the prices or necessarily links. I will see if I get, but these, I've had these things for so long, so don't even look for prices or anything like that. I will try my best, but for sure the names of the products will be down in the description box in case you're interested. So again, I want to just thank B for doing this little voiceover for me. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did as well. So if you like this type of content and would like to see more of this on my channel, then definitely hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.